Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I'm going to make chicken with lot of things in it. Today see, I will show you what all I'm going to put in the chicken. So I hope you all will like chicken curry. So today I'm going to use, you can see cauliflower and potato cut over here. This I'm going to use to put in the chicken. There is peas here, green peas, onions, and the chicken over here is washed and kept here. And the masala what I'm going to use is, you can see, there is ginger, garlic, jeera, dry red chilies and black pepper. And for the foran, this is dry chilies, red dry chilies, bay leaves, garam masala and some jeera. Friends, I hope you all will like the recipe. Today I am going to use cauliflower for the chicken, and potato to I always use, and the peas over here, green peas, this also I will put in. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe. First of all, I will fry the cauliflower and the potato. Friends, to fry the cauliflower and potato, I'll use mustard oil. This is the mustard oil I've put in. First I will put in the cauliflower. Even I will put in the potato also. Together this will fry. Friends, you can see the cauliflower and potato is fried. Now I'll take them out. Friends, now in the same oil I will make the curry. Now first of all I'll put some more mustard oil. This I will put in. Friends, now I will put in the onions. I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onions are turned brown nicely. You can see, nice and brown it's turned. Now I will put in the masala. This is the masala which I made into a paste. Friends, now I will put some turmeric powder. I will let the masala brown. Friends, you can see the masala also has gone brown, almost brown. Now I will put in the chicken. You can see, this is the chicken. I will let the chicken fry along with the masala. I will put in the salt. I will let the chicken fry along with the masala. Friends, this is desi tomatoes. You can see small ones. This I am going to use for the chicken curry. And the desi tomatoes, they are a little bit sour, khatta. So it will give it a nice taste. I hope you all will like it. Friends, the chicken is getting fried up along with the masala, you can see. Now I will put in the green peas. This is the green peas, matar chhemi. Friends, you can see the chicken is fried up along with the masala. Friends, now I am going to put in the fried cauliflower and potato. I mixed the cauliflower and the potato and the chicken well. Now I will add some water. Friends, I hope you will like this video. To make one video, it takes a lot of effort. So I hope you all will like it. Friends, now I will add the tomato and the dhania patti. I've covered it up. Now I will let the curry cook. Friends, you can see the chicken curry is ready. The chicken, cauliflower and potato peas mix curry is ready. I will dry the water a little bit more because it's too much. Friends, this recipe, chicken, cauliflower, potato and peas recipe is ready. Thanks for watching my video.